Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Whop bot to Telegram. To get started, open your browser and go to the Whop homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct Whop account before moving forward, since the Telegram connection will be added to whichever account is currently active. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the main dashboard or home feed is fully visible. Once you're on the Whop homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the account menu where you can access more personal settings and connection options. If you don't immediately see the menu expand, click once more carefully on the profile area. From there, click on the settings icon. This is the area where Whop lets you manage your account preferences, profile details, and linked services. Opening settings is an important part of the process because Telegram is connected through your account settings rather than from the main dashboard. After the settings page opens, find and click on Connected Accounts. This section is specifically designed for linking external platforms to your Whop account. If you see multiple settings categories, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the Connected Accounts option and not General Account Preferences. Inside Connected Accounts, look for Telegram and click on it. This will begin the process of linking your Telegram account with Whop. Depending on your browser or device, a pop-up, redirect, or authorization window may appear. This is normal, so just continue with the connection process. At this point, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary slightly, depending on whether you're already signed into Telegram on your device or browser. In most cases, you'll simply review the connection request and approve it. Be sure to read each screen carefully so you know exactly what is being authorized before continuing. If you run into any issues during this part, a good tip is to check whether pop-ups are blocked in your browser or whether Telegram is already logged in and accessible. It can also help to refresh the page and restart the connection if something doesn't load correctly the first time. Once the prompts are completed, your Telegram account should be connected to Whop, allowing the Whop bot setup to move forward successfully. If the connection is successful, you'll usually see Telegram listed as a linked account in the Connected Accounts section. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of adding the Whop bot to Telegram